Today we talk about how can you deactivate your account on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on account settings here. Then just switch in here to open with you. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You're just scrolling down here until you will find here deactivate your account. You just click on it here. Then it's so that you click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Give them the reason here. Then it's going to deactivate with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.